Welcome back. Okay, today we're going to be working on what's going to happen in these walls. And this is where you're going to get to use your imagination just a little bit. But what we're going to do first is we're going to create a couple of windows here. So we're making a big room. Now we're going to use our ruler again and our vanishing point. So the first thing we're going to do is make the top of our windows. So we're going to come down from the corner here a little bit, line up with our vanishing point. And we're going to make a couple of lines. The first line should be shorter than the second line because this line is farther away from us. This line is closer to us. Then we're going to come through and put in some vertical lines. Try to get them as straight as you can. We don't want any leany windows. And don't worry about the bottoms yet because we can adjust that with our eraser. Then we're going to put in the bottoms. Again, we're going to use our vanishing point and our ruler. We're going to make the bottom of this window first, bottom of this window next, and then we're going to get rid of any lines that stick out past the bottom because we don't want those there. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Same exact steps. Make our front window first. It's going to be shorter. Make our back window next. Put in our vertical lines. And then add our bottom using our vanishing point. Make sure you're making those bottom and top lines at the same time. And again, we erase the parts that we don't want. Now, they don't quite look like windows yet, but it's a start. So to make it look more like a window, we're going to repeat those steps, but we're going to do it inside the first one we did. That way we can make our window frames. Again, every time you make a diagonal line, you need to be using that vanishing point so we know that they're correct. Erasing any little lines here that we don't want. And we'll do the same thing over here. Once you've got the inside made, you can leave it just like this, like a big picture window. You could put a line straight up and down through the middle, like you have two side-by-side windows. Or you could even use that vanishing point again and make this into 4 window panes in your windows. So it depends on what you want to do. Now, I would suggest whatever you do in one window, you do the same in all of them so they all match. But you wouldn't have to do that. It's your room. If you want them to look different, you can have them look different. But you're going to do this to all 4 windows. When you're done with all 4 windows, I want you to think about what you are seeing out of these windows. And again, you're going to use your imagination. Some kind of outdoor picture outside of your 4 windows. And you're going to draw and color that in. Okay, it could be a beachscape, could be a landscape. Is it farmyard? Is it mountains? Are you in a tropical setting, or are you here in Ohio? And it'd be something familiar to what you see outside. So you're going to draw inside these windows what you see. And then I want you to color inside these windows what you're seeing. And that's all I want you to do right now for this week. Have fun with that, and I'll see you next time.